Good day sa inyong lahat. Good night pala sa iba dito sa Amerika, no? At ngayon, bumili kami ng bagong cellphone here. And nasira kasi yung yung cellphone kaya hindi kami nakapag-vlog. So pasensya na kayo dahil ang tagal namin hindi nakapag-post. Meron pa kaming mga videos sa Great America. And hindi pa namin naipopost at na-edit. Nasira nga yung phone kasi ewan ko, baka siguro bumabagsak. One time naibagsak ko. So, and then siguro hindi niya naprotektahan ng case. Siguro bibili tayo ng mas magandang case. So ngayon, bumili tayo ng S22. And tinrade natin yung lumang phone. Kaya here we go. We're gonna unbox it. Where's the Dito na lang siguro. Ayan. It's so sticky. Ayaw matanggal. Sa Pinas ginaganito yun. Ayan. Ayan. Ano ba yung chips pagka yung mga chichirya? Chips na gagawin nyo yun, ngalutin mo. So, ganun din siguro dito, Hindi matanggal eh. Wala ka mang. Wala akong kuko. I don't have nails. I cut it so short.
I have nails. You help?
Can you help?
Yeah. Okay.
See, told you.
Can I try and... No, it needs it.
Oh, yes, yeah. What? Yeah. It's coming out. It's coming out. Should we get a knife?
I think so.
Yeah.
I'll make it easy.
Okay. We're gonna get a knife. Maybe we already got a knife. So, kukutsilyohin na natin, mahirap kasing drum roll, please. Tigas ang nito. Ayaw Yun. Alright. It's very clean. Very smooth. And it's
Very nice.
very expensive. So what we have inside is the actual phone. Wow. So we have a cover protector to protect this from scratches, and I think they have a new camera now. They have the telephoto camera, and then the periscope. Oh, this is not new. This is the old one. This is the new one. Okay. The front has also a cover, transparent cover. So it actually looks the same as the last Note 20. Ayan, parehong-pareho. Only thing is the SIM card goes into the bottom. Right there instead of the top. Alright, and okay, let's check what's inside here. Put this aside. Now we have the SIM remover right here. So you just push that in. I think not. How do you remove that? Yeah, you push that in to get it out. We're not gonna put SIM on it yet. Okay. So opening it on the wrong way. So you got the user manual. Okay, let's read it. Maybe tomorrow. Alright, yeah, I read it. Got
So
it and
fast.
yeah. Okay. So you this year, I mean this model doesn't come with the brick charger. You only have the cables. So when you guys gonna get anything like something like this, the newer ones, they don't include a brick charger. So you have to purchase it separately. And if you have an old phone that has that, you can also use that, but it's not as fast as the newer one. So it's up to you if you're gonna buy it. All right, so here's the new blogging phone, and wait for our editing, because I edit most of my videos here on this phone. And see you next time. All right, bye bye.